I love going on YouTube and looking at videos that have that certain section in there where they inspect the filter. They might be trying to get rid of an oil consumption problem, or there might be issue with other components wearing inside the engine, but they're going through the filter and they're looking for certain splotches, certain areas of debris that may be trapped in between the pleats. The reality of it is you're probably not going to see the contaminants because they're too small. Any large contaminants that you could typically see with your eyes that have consequence to the engine, well, those are going to be trapped at the oil pickup or at the bottom of the pan of the engine. If they're able to be sucked up by the oil pump, well, they're going to be stuck in that screen. They're not going to make their way to the filter. Only times some of this larger debris can make it to the oil filter that you'll actually see on there is when it's actually smaller than the screen itself. So keep this in mind. Your naked eye is only going to see the worst of it, but this filter and the media inside could be capturing a lot of debris that can cause damage to the engine and the bearing surfaces that you're not going to see. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.